Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to increase space between bullet point and text. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we go to the home menu, select the new slide option. Then create a blank slide. Then we go to the insert menu, select the text box. Then create a text box, then write anything, make the bulleted list. Now I am write some text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the home menu and select the bullet point. Now we want to increase the space between text and the bullet point. Firstly select the text again, then go to the view menu and enable the roller. Then go back again the home menu and we can see here the hanging indent. Then we move it, select this hanging indent and move this. We can see we increase the space very easily. You can decrease this, otherwise increase this. Otherwise you can move the text and the bullet at once. Select this hanging indent option and move this. Now we can see we increase space between text and bullet very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.